Who is the father of the Indian Constitution? Answer option B. B.R. Ambedkar. When was the Constitution of India adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India? Answer option C. 26 November 1949. What is the original title of the Indian Constitution in Sanskrit? Answer option D. Bharatiya Samvidhanam. How many articles were there when the Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950? Answer option A. 395 articles. Which article describes the President of India as the head of the executive branch? Answer is option B. Articles 53. Which language was the Indian Constitution written in? Answer option D. Hindi and English. When was the Indian national flag adopted? Answer is option C. 22nd July 1947. When is Constitution Day celebrated in India? Answer option D. On November 26. Who handwrote the original Constitution of India? Answer option C. Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada Saxena. How long did it take to frame the Constitution of India? Answer option B. 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. Which article is known as the soul of the Constitution by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? Answer option C. Article 32. Right to constitutional remedies. Which amendment reduced the voting age from 21 to 18? Answer option A. 61st Amendment Act 1988. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee? Answer option B. B.R. Ambedkar. Who is the chairman of the Planning Commission in India? Answer option C. Prime Minister. When did the Constitution of India become effective? Answer option B. 26 January 1950. From which country was the concept of fundamental duties borrowed? Answer option D. The USSR, now Russia. Who is the custodian of the Indian Constitution? Answer option C. The Supreme Court of India. Which part of the Constitution deals with the directive principles of state policy? Answer option C. Part 4, Article 36 to 51. What is the minimum age required to be the President of India? Answer option C. 35 years. Which act was replaced by the Constitution of India as the country's fundamental governing document? Answer option A. Government of India Act 1935. When was the word secular and socialist word added to the Indian Constitution? Answer option B. 42nd Amendment 1976. How many branches are there in the Indian Constitution? Answer is option B. 3 branches. Name the branches of the Indian Constitution. Answer option D, executive, legislature and judiciary. How many chambers are there in the Indian Constitution? Answer option A, 2. Which article allows the president to impose rule in a state? Answer option A, Article 356. Which schedule deals with the official languages of the Republic of India? Answer option D, 8th schedule. The governor of a state is appointed by president on the advice of the. Answer option A, Prime Minister. The president gives his resignation to. Answer option B, Vice President. For what period does the Vice President of India hold office? Answer option C, 5 years. When was the 104th Amendment of the Constitution of India updated? Answer option B, 25th January 2020. The total number of members nominated by the President to the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha is. Answer option B, 14. Who among the following holds office during the pleasure of the President? Answer option A, Governor. Who presented the objective resolution of the Indian Constitution? Answer option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. How many members were appointed to the drafting committee by B.R. Ambedkar? Answer option D, 7 members. Who was the first speaker of the Lok Sabha? Answer option B, G.V. Mavalankar. Who appoints the Prime Minister of India? Answer option B, President. Who was the first woman governor of a state in free India? Answer option C, Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. Who became the first Indian judge in the International Court of Justice? Answer, Sir Benegal Narasimha Rao. How many sessions were held by the Assembly before adopting the Constitution of India? Answer option B, 11 sessions. How many members signed the Constitution of India when it was adopted? Answer, 284 members. Who was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? Answer, Vallabhbhai Patel. Who is the only Indian to become the Governor General before the title was abolished? Answer, C. Rajagopalachari. The charge of impeachment against the President of India for his removal can be preferred by. Answer, both houses of Parliament. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Answer, Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the first Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India? Answer, Sir Harilal J.K. Sundas Khania. From which country was the judicial review adopted by the Constitution of India? Answer: United States of America. What is the celebration of the Indian Constitution called? Answer: Constitution Day or Samvidhan Divas. In case a president dies while in office, the vice president can act as a president for a maximum period of. Answer: 6 months. Who administers the oath of the office to the President of India before he enters upon the office? Answer: Chief Justice. Where was the Constitution of India published? Answer: Option C, Dehradun. Which part of the Indian Constitution contains the articles about the fundamental rights? Answer: Part 3. Which article describes the Prime Minister of India as the head of the Council of Ministers? Answer: Article 74. When did the right to education come into effect? Answer: 1st April 2010. Which house is known as the House of the People? Answer: Lok Sabha. Who among the following enjoys the rank of a cabinet ministers of the Indian Union? Answer: Deputy Chairman of the Planning Commission. What is the term of members of Rajya Sabha? Answer: 6 years. Who was elected as the permanent president of the Constituent Assembly? Answer: Dr. Rajendra Prasad. A person who is not a member of parliament can be appointed as a minister by the president for a maximum period of. Answer: 6 months. One feature distinguishing the Rajya Sabha from the Vidhana Parishad is. Answer: power of impeachment. Who has the final rights to sanction the expenditure of public money in India? Answer: the President. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer: Sri Sukumar Sen. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer: President. In which year were the first general elections held in India? Answer: in 1951 to 1952. When was the Indian Ministry of Human Resource Development founded? Answer: 26 September 1985. As per Article 336, which community gets the special provisions for central services? Answer: Anglo-Indian community. The maximum age prescribed for election as a president is. Answer: no such limit. The power to decide an election petition is vested in the. Answer: Election Commission. Which article of the Indian Constitution defines the Panchayat Raj? Answer: Article 243. Which is the largest committee in the Indian Parliament? Answer: Estimates Committee. The Election Commission does not conduct the election to the answer: local bodies. Which constitutional article was established for the National Commission for Scheduled Tribes (NCST)? Answer: Article 338A. What is the full form of NRCWC? Answer: National Commission to Review the Working of the Constitution. How many schedules were there when the Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950? Answer: 8 schedules. The Vice President is elected by an electoral college consisting of members of answer: both houses of Parliament. In India, political parties are given recognition by answer: Election Commission. When was Jammu and Kashmir declared as Union Territory? Answer: 31st October 2019. Which schedule describes scheduled areas and schedules tribes? Answer: 5th. What is contained in the 10th schedule of the Constitution? Answer: provision regarding disqualification on grounds of defection. If the office of the President of India falls vacant, within what time should the next President be elected? Answer: within 6 months. The only instance when the President of India exercised his power of veto related to answer: Indian Post Office Amendment Bill of 1986. What do schedules list in the Indian Constitution categories? Answer: administrative, legislative procedure and fundamental duties. Who was the Prime Minister of India when the Panchayat Raj and urban self-governing institutions were accorded a constitutional status? Answer: P.V. Narasimha Rao. Which article is related to the Right to Information Act (RTI)? Answer: Article 19(1)(a). How many types of writs are in the Indian Constitution? Answer: 5 types. The President of India can be removed from his office by the answer: Parliament. The impeachment proceeding against the Vice President can be initiated. Answer: only in Rajya Sabha. Which article is related to equality before the law? Answer: Article 14. Which act granted statehood to Arunachal Pradesh? Answer: 55th Constitutional Amendment. How many times a person can become President of India? Answer: no such limit. Which article is for the protection of the interests of minorities? Answer: Article 29. How many types of emergency have been visualized in the Constitution of India? Answer: 3. The President can make laws through ordinances. Answer: during the recess of the Parliament. Under what article of Indian Constitution President can take over the administration of a state in case of its constitutional machinery breaks down? Answer: Article 356. The President's rule in a state means that the state is ruled by. Answer: the governor of the state. How many parts are there in Indian Constitution? Answer: 25. Which is the biggest constitution in the world? Answer: the Constitution of India. The Prime Minister, Union Cabinet Minister, Chief Minister and Council of Members are all the members of. Answer: National Development Council. The minimum age required for becoming the Prime Minister of India is. Answer: 25 years. The Indian President is. Answer: titular executive. Who has the longest tenure as the Speaker of Lok Sabha? Answer: Balram Jhakar. Who has the power to declare national emergency? Answer: the President.